Why spend money buying a hairband when you can make one for yourself, for your baby, and even you sell it and make money out of it with just your material, your hand needle? That's all. You don't necessarily need a sewing machine or scissors or a tape rule. What you have to do, if you don't have a tape, you have to ensure the material go around your head. Yes, and also make sure you're using a stretchy material, because sometimes your hair, you might have an attachment to your hair which makes the size more bigger. So if you don't use a stretchy material, you won't be able to use it. Yeah, so this is Style Meets Wisdom, and I am Chinoe Jessica. So now let's dive into the business of the day. You fold it into two, and you fold it into two. Ensure the front part is inside, the front of the material is inside. Can we say it? So now the next step is to interlock it. Watch this part carefully. You interlock. Yeah, you put this the left to the right, and this is, watch this part carefully, and you are good. So what's next is to sew, and at this point please watch to the end. Don't assume you've seen it. It's not just to sew. No, there is a secret in this part. So you stitch, but your stitching is your hand needle. Remember, you don't need a scissors, you don't need a sewing machine or any other. So you stitch it out. Watch my stitching in this part. You have to take the edge slant. You sew it slantly. Yes, the two edge should be slant to achieve a beautiful headband as this one. So you stop spending money buying it. You can make a uniform headband for you and your baby, your siblings, and your loved ones. So, and at this point, you haven't subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any tip. Then, if you found the video helpful, please drop your comment, like it, and share. Then we're done. Wow, come and see. What can you not do? You can make this. You can make money out of it. Yeah. So after watching this video, please make one for yourself. Yes, don't just watch and relax. It's very simple, very easy. You don't need sewing machine, just your material for this. Yeah. So the second style, remember it's 2 in 1. What you have to do is just to fold it into two, like you're saying now. You fold it. So today you can wear it, you can style it in the first way, then tomorrow you're done with. Aren't it beautiful? Yeah, it's beautiful. So make one for yourself. Yeah, thank you. And once again, welcome to Style Me.